This is how you calculate spread. This is how you calculate spreads with your auto trading robot. If you want your auto trading robot to calculate spreads, you can create auto trading robot just to calculate spreads. So this is how you do it. You go to tools and then you go to meter codes language editor. After that, this thing will load, and then let's press new and then expect the advisor template. Next, let's name it spread checker. Yeah, this will check spreads for us. So just say next, next, finish. Okay, so we have everything here. The best thing here to do, we will put our codes in here, in on init here, the first function. So just come here. The first thing you do is to just say double. Remember the spread, to calculate the spread you need the ask and the bid. Okay, that's how you calculate spread, and then say double, and then say let's start with ask, and then is equals to, then you start to type the function. First function is normalize double, there we have it. And then inside normalize double we are going to have another function which is symbol info double. You just type this, don't worry about what's happening, just follow me and type this. What is important here are the results. Then you open brackets for symbol info double. Then you can come here and say what you want here is symbol yeah, it was supposed to be like this symbol, and then we'll see if this makes sense to the computer. And then another thing after that, you can just say this and then say, remember we're doing the ask now, so this is ask. Then after doing all this, you come here after this bracket and say, and then say date, and then put the digits. Don't forget to do this, because if you don't do this you won't be able to get the right answer. Then you close your function. Then let's see if this one works, so that we can just copy and paste. You can see I've compiled, everything looks okay. So we are doing for the bid, then I'll say bid, and then it says equals to, then you can just copy this thing again, because we'll just change what is different, copy, and then paste. Then we'll just replace this ask with bid, just like this. Done, just like that. Then I think we are done. But then another thing that is short, remember we are calculating the spread, and the spread is the difference between ask and the bid. So what you can do, you can just come here and say alert, so that our message can pop up, so that we can see. So you can just come inside and say ask minus bid, just like this, and then you are done. Let's compile. We have error. I typed s, not ask. Remember I have to put in these variables. You can put this variable outside, it's fine, but I just placed them inside. You can put them outside so that you can use them every time you need them. So easy, you can just call them in any function. So I pasted them outside. Let's compile. Yes, no error, everything's fine. Then let me open our charts. Remember our robot is named spread checker. We just want to check the spread. Let's look. Okay, here is our robot. Drop it on the chart, and then let's allow the trading stuff. Doom, nothing comes. Okay, which means there is something which is not all right here. Maybe I'll need to reference. Yeah, if you are doing these things, don't be scared, don't be afraid to do some reference. Okay, I'm failing to find the problem here. Digit symbol. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's check. Compile again, compile. Okay, now it's coming out. So these things sometimes can be tricky, and then yeah, don't stress too much. You can see now, we can see our spreads. Remember, the spread here, we must ignore these long numbers. What you must focus on are 5 digits after the zero. That's it. After the comma, the only 5 digits. Forget about this 999. So as you can see here, our spread is 60 points, which is 6 pips. Even here, 6 pips for Euro USD. So we can just check the spread without using calculator. Every time if you want to check the spread, just drop this robot on the charts, and then douche, you must be getting the alert. Okay, the alert must pop up as you compile. Remember, it will be called every time when we open the charts. So you can see now, that's it. That's how we check. Then we are done with this one. Look at the codes, just type them the way they are, and then just do this. You'll learn a lot there. Give me a subscriber so that I can keep on dropping videos like this, which helps you to learn how to create auto trading robots. Simple and easy. Sharp.